Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. So today we are talking all about my current favorites or the products that I was loving for the month of July. It is now August, new month, new motivation, new goals. It's just a new month to start a clean, fresh slate. And let me say that I ended the month super good. And I'll tell you why in just one second. I don't want to give any spoilers away, but I am excited to share all the products that I was loving in the month of July. So with that said, you already know, grab your cafecito or grab your glass of wine. I would drink one with you guys, but it's 1 o'clock. It's too early to drink wine. And I've already had too much coffee. So I'm just going to sit here and talk to you girls, guys, whoever is watching. Let's hang out, okay? And let's go ahead and start with today's July favorites. Can we take a moment to appreciate how gorgeous this lip is? I am obsessed with it. I am currently wearing, let me grab it. I am using the NYX Brown Lip Liner with the REM liquid lipstick in the shade Hottie. I finally was able to get this to work for me. Love this combo. I feel like it suits my hair really well, which leads me to my favorite product, my favorite thing of July, which was me dyeing my hair. I've had a lot of challenges and I still have a lot of challenges to go through with my hair. I have a few products that I want to share with you guys that I've noticed that have helped my hair, but this is still new to me, so there's a lot of products that I really want to try before I give you like a sit down and talk to you guys about like refreshing my hair, how I'm gonna keep my hair red and everything. But yes, I love my hair, you guys. I'm still learning how to like style the short hair, even though I've had it for a few months. Like I'm still struggling with learning how to style it. Like I want my hair to have so much volume, but then at the same time, it's like, I don't know, I feel like my head looks big whenever I style my hair like this. What do you guys think? Like, does my cabeza look big? Be honest with me, because I don't want to walk around looking like a bobblehead, you know? For shampoo, I definitely wanted to switch to a product that was going to keep my hair, the red in my hair, as much as possible. So I was doing some research and I came across the Redken Color Extend Magnetics, which is this shampoo right here. I did buy the small bottle because the big ones are expensive and I don't know that I want to fully commit to the big bottle yet. I already have a lot of Redken. I don't have a lot. I have a big bottle of the Redken shampoo and I've been using it for years. So this is a brand that I trust and I love with my hair. Every time that I use it, not only does it smell so good, but it leaves my hair silky soft. This is also a shampoo that is going to be sulfate free. So anytime you're dyeing your hair any specific color, especially something that is a little more vibrant, you want to target shampoos, or you want to go for shampoos that are sulfate free. I don't know about you guys, but I really enjoy a good lather in my hair, and I feel like this shampoo still gives me the nice lather. It cleans my hair without stripping it too much, which is why I really like it. And then for conditioner, I'm currently using the L'Oreal Everpure Sulfate Free Color Care System. So again, a product that is leaning towards conditioning hair that is colored. It really, really helps with locking in the shine in the hair. This one as well, like I said, I don't know if I mentioned it, but it's also sulfate free. So I thought it was amazing, and it's a pretty affordable product. I think this one's under $10 and you get a lot of product in here as well, and it smells so good. The last thing that I wanted to mention when it comes to my hair is a product that I tried out. So you guys may be looking at my hair and be like, wait, your hair looks a little bit more red, and it does, and that's because I tried this Punky Color Depositing Shampoo and Conditioner, which is this one right here. It's downstairs in my bathroom. My baby's sleeping. I don't want to go down there and potentially wake him up. But I bought it in Red Delicious, and what I did is I mixed it with a leave-in mask and I applied it to my hair. I left it in for 10 minutes and my hair was a little bit more burgundy and it made it more red, which I don't mind this red. Definitely not my favorites, but I don't know that I like this product. My hair looked so dull. It felt like una escoba. It felt so hard from the ends. It didn't feel as soft and manageable as it feels right now. And then I was trying to like cut my hair a little bit like the ends, and I was going like this with my scissors, and there was so much deposit on my hair, so much buildup, and I just had to rewash my hair. What I did is I mixed a little bit of water with apple cider vinegar, and that cleansed my hair and it stripped it away from all the nastiness that I think that shampoo left in my hair. So if you guys know of any good color depositing products that will just keep my hair vibrant in between coloring, let me know something that's maybe a little, not organic, but a little bit better for my hair. I'm kind of eyeing this brand that's called Cara Color, and it's sold at Ulta. So if you guys have tried it, let me know in the comment section down below, please. Thank you. All right, let's move away from hair. That was a lot. I can't hold in the anxiousness anymore, and I really want to talk to you guys about a book that I started reading. I know a book, what? I am embarrassed to say, you guys, that I cannot remember the last time I read a book. It must have been like in elementary or middle school, maybe even high school. But willingly, like for me to go out of my way and buy a book, never. I'm just not that person. And I've always wanted to get into books, but I always get so lazy. So I saw this all over TikTok, and it's called It Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover. This is such a good book. I am almost done. I am on chapter 26, and I've had this for almost a week. So I don't know if I'm a fast reader or this book just has me sunken into it, but my goodness, you guys, it is such a good book. When I read It Ends With Us, I thought it was going to be like a love story, like maybe romance, and it does have a little bit of romance in it, but it's a little bit more about domestic violence, and it's very interesting, you guys. A lot of people were crying over this book. I have yet to cry. There's parts that have there have been parts that have teared me up a little bit. It's a really good book. I can't wait to finish it. I might finish it this week. Yeah, definitely. I'm going to finish it within these next few days. And she has other books in the back here that I'm already eyeing. So if you guys are interested in reading a book, you will not be able to put this down. I'm warning you now. It is such a good book. I felt everything she was writing. She's such a good author because she had me imagining everything. Like I could just feel her emotions. Every single thing, I felt it. It's such a good book, you guys. I highly, highly, highly recommend. Now let's get into makeup. I'm going to go through these really quickly because I feel like this video is already like a million years long. So makeup. Concealer that I've been obsessed with is the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer in the shade Sugar Biscuit 3.59. It's the one that I'm using right now. This is such a good concealer, you guys. If you have a little bit more of a mature skin, or if you suffer from a lot of like little wrinkles underneath your eyes, try this concealer. I know that it's a little bit more high-end. Not only is it full coverage, but it almost has like a little bit of a dewy finish without being too matte. I guess it's in between, and it doesn't dry down too fast. This is one of the very few concealers that doesn't crease on me like that. I mean, if I don't set it, it's going to crease, obviously, you know, but it takes a while for it to crease. Whatever she did with this concealer, she did it right. I love the wand. I love the color, and they do have a lot of shades to offer. So if you can find your shade, definitely pick it up. I really, really, really recommend this concealer. Another product that I have been obsessed with to set the concealer is the new Laura Mercier talc free, what's this called? The Ultra Blurring Primer. I got sent this in PR. This is in the shade Translucent. This, in comparison to her like original one, 10 out of 10. This gives you such a blurring effect to your skin, you guys. I am not even joking. I don't think I've used this on camera because I just got it this week, but I've been using it maybe for the past 4 days, and it's amazing. It's what I have on my skin right now. And I mean, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I feel like my skin looks pretty bomb, if I do say so myself. But it just looks so good. It really does blur the skin, and it's 10 out of 10. Blush palette that I've also been loving is the Jason Wu. If you guys missed the video where I tried out his products, you can click the link up here and watch that. Jason Wu is a brand that is sold, I think, exclusively to Target, and his brand is bomb. His lipsticks are bomb. His blushes are bomb. The one that I have right here is called Babe from Saint Tropez, and it's this one right here. Such a good quality product. If you have tan, deep, rich melanin skin, please try this. You're going to love it. I also have two other blushes that you guys have seen me try out, and a lot of people really love this combination. These are the new Benefits. What are these called? The something blushes. It's these right here. These are brand new. So the ones I've been mixing is the shade Sunny. So I go in with Sunny first, I apply it, and then I top it off with Butterfly. These just, oh my gosh, they look so pretty. It's the combination that I have on my cheeks right now. Very pretty. Love how like soft and velvety they are. 10 out of 10. And then for face, the last thing that I have here is the new Jaclyn Hill bronzer. This is in the shade Top Down. It is a pressed bronzer. I love this. It's what I have on my skin as well. I take this with me everywhere. I use it literally every day. I've been forgetting and neglecting my other bronzers because this one is just that girl. Such a pretty bronzer. It kind of reminds me of like the MAC's Give Me Sun a little bit. But this one is a little bit more velvety, more bronzy, and a little goes a long way. Love this. I love the shade. I love everything about it. I quickly wanted to shout out these products that have literally saved my skin. I will insert some pictures of how my skin was doing. I don't know if you guys can tell sometimes in the videos, because I do use a lot of beauty lights. Sometimes my skin looks better than it actually is. And there's nothing wrong with having textured skin. We're humans. It's normal. It happens. But of course, me as a beauty influencer, I always like to look my best. And I take a lot of pride in my skin looking good. So for a while, my skin was just going crazy and I could not figure out what was going on. Like every single morning, I would wake up with some type of breakouts. I wouldn't say it was acne, but I mean, my skin wasn't smooth or soft looking. As you can see in the pictures right here, I had a lot of texture on my skin. And I'm telling you guys, this was almost on a daily basis. I was this close to going to a dermatologist because I was like, what is wrong with my skin? My skin usually acts like this when it doesn't like a certain product, but this was on a daily basis. So I was like, okay, I need to switch up something because obviously my skin and I, like Aurita, we're not friends. So I went back to a cleanser that I've had for a while and I thought I didn't like it, but now it saved my life. This is the Inkyless Salicylic Acid Cleanser. It helps reduce blackheads and breakouts. So salicylic acid is meant for acne prone skin, which I've never considered myself to have like acne prone skin. I don't know why I've had this mentality of like acne and I think of like a bunch of acne, you know, but I think my skin was just really congested because my skin has been super oily, and so I think I just had too much like production of oil going on and it was clogging my pores, causing those tiny little breakouts. So I started using this product again and my skin cleared up immediately. I think like the second or third day I have not had any of those little bumps. Like if you guys can see, my skin looks pretty smooth. I do have some left right here, but other than that, like my skin is almost back to its normal self and I am so happy. I use this little brush right here that I got from Amazon. It's a little silicone face brush. I love this because it's so gentle on the skin and I feel like this one doesn't hold as much bacteria as like a Sonic face brush, which I do have one. And then another thing that I've been using is the Green Tangerine Vita C Dark Spot Serum. Because I did have a bunch of those little like bumps, I would pick at my skin so much. And I have this little like this little mark left from me just picking at my skin. So I got this during the Amazon Prime deals and I love this. It's from the brand Vidal, I believe that's how you pronounce it. This makes your skin so glowy and so hydrated. I've been using it for maybe close to 2 weeks, and I have seen already a difference in the acne mark here. It's still there, but it's definitely diminished the color of it and other little marks that I've had on my skin, and it's pretty affordable. So if you guys are interested in any of the products that I mentioned today, I will have them listed in the description box down below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, let me know what products you're loving in the month of July, and are you interested in anything that I showed you today? Please let me know. Let's talk, let's hang out in the comment section down below. And if you can pick up anything, please pick up this book. Please, I am begging you. You're going to love it, seriously. All right, you guys, that is it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and until next time, I will see you in my next video.